So if you are interested in seeing what is, wow. Hi Doonistas, it's me, the Pecan Tan Beauty, and welcome to my channel. Or as always, I welcome you back to my channel. So today's video, guys, is going to be an unboxing. So if you are interested in seeing what is in the box, then you know what to do. Just keep on watching. Okay guys, so let's get into the unboxing. This unboxing is a purchase that I made in 2019, but I'm just now getting around to opening it. So, and I forgot my blade in the other room. So we're just going to snatch the tape off. And this is a purchase from I Love Dooney, and this was made during one of the sales. I don't remember which one it was. And you guys, I do not own a bag in this style in my collection. So I thought that I would give it a try. So let's see, guys. All right. So you guys, I am a tad bit nervous about the size of this bag because when I made the order, I did not know that there were two different sizes. Okay, so, oh wow, I didn't realize I ordered this long ago. So I ordered this bag on the 14th of November 2019. So, okay, this is actually larger than I thought it was. So here is what we have, guys. So you guys, this is the Dooney Bourke Ashton Pebbled leather in the color bone. Oh my gosh, you guys, this bag is gorgeous from what I can see so far. I've seen tons of girls in the den, my Facebook group, the Dooney Den, post beautiful photos. And like I said, I ordered this about 2 months ago. So let's just see. Let's take off the packaging. Wow, wow, wow. Oh my gosh, this bag is gorgeous. So again, guys, this is the Dooney Bourke Pebbled Leather Ashton Tote in the color bone. And again, this is the regular size. They do have a larger size. And I almost was thinking, now that I know that there are two different sizes, that I should have gone with the large. But you guys, I think this is perfect. This is the perfect size. I think the large would actually be too large. Kind of almost like a medium Russell, I think would be too large. But you guys, look how beautiful this bag is. And she is a keeper, so I am going to take the plastic off. So here she is out of the wrapping. And oh my gosh, you guys. And I was thinking the strap drop was gonna be a little short, but I think it is perfect. And I'll do a couple of mod shots at the end so you can see how she fits over the shoulder. So she does have a back pocket here. Looks like a very nice size back pocket as well. Oh yeah, very nice pocket, very nice smooth zipper. And she does have a magnetic closure, but she has this little flap magnetic here. I didn't realize that. I thought that it had a snap closure, just the little flat one that they normally have here on the back. You guys, this is a really nice size bag. It is absolutely perfect. And she does come with a dust bag. And here is the inside. Lots of room. I love that it does not have a center divider. And I also love that she doesn't have the snap on the little pocket here. Oh my gosh, you guys, I am absolutely in awe about how beautiful this bag is. Sierra leather trim is absolutely stunning against the bone. Wow, I am actually glad that I did not go with the large, because I think that the large would have been a little bit too big for an everyday carry, but I think this is perfect. So anyway, guys, I just wanted to share with you my first 2020 unboxing, even though she was purchased in 2019. So anyway, guys, stay tuned for mod shots. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys. Hey, guys, so here is how Miss Ashton looks being carried on the crook of the arm. So, and for me, she clearly passes the elbow test. I have a little bit of room left for clearance, but for the most part, she slips on very comfortably. This is a nice size, guys. Any larger for me would be too large for an everyday carry. So I think this is absolutely perfect. Okay, guys, so here she is being carried from the front. So you can get a front view. As you can see, not very bulky, nice and slim. So here is a close-up. And you can also carry her just walking out the door. Very cute, very classy, very girly. Absolutely love it. Slides off really nice. You guys, I think I am in love, but this is absolutely perfect. So anyway, guys, I hope you found these mod shots helpful, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.